Good morning, youngins. And today's another day here at the Youngins family's housing. You know what I'm saying?
Family Factory.
The family factory. Look at that, Mr. June in the building.
In the building.
And who that? Who's that? Who's that?
Bowsy.
Say something, Bowser. Say something for the youngins.
Say good morning. My shirt's on backwards.
Why is your shirt on backwards? His shirt's always on backwards. All right. If everyone's been waiting, the wake-up call for Saya.
I see the blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
And it's Saya's wake-up call. Saya, what do you want to say to the people? What do you want to say to the youngins, Saya? Saya. Oh, someone's calling you. Hello. It's wake up. It's a wake-up call. We're back with Bowser, Saya, and Jayleno. Jaylin, how do you feel this morning?
Tired.
How do you feel?
What time did you go to sleep? 3 in the morning?
Probably 4 p.m. that Roby.
Roby.
Look at Saya. He's out of it.
Stop.
It's sad, but look, Mason's calling you.
Stop.
I'm just kidding.
Hace mejor seguirlo porque a veces te pones a estarle, entonces un viaje programado. You understand?
Sí, el español mío está bueno, pero sea como tú sabes. No, pero yo estoy viendo aquí que...
We out, baby. We out.
Sexy. Top up while we eat because we don't want the wind, doing all that great stuff. Hand sanitizer everywhere you go because of germs. And I got the most wonderful thing in the world. Chocolate sprinkled donuts. Shout out to Saya, Bowser, for letting me know the lowdown on the chocolate sprinkled donuts.
Agua. Very important.
Oh, you want a bite?
No, thank you.
You're missing out.
I'm fine. They didn't even put ketchup.
It's a creeper moment. People are looking at us. So far, so good on the trip. I gotta get used to the Mustang seats though.
I like them.
I'm just not used to them.
That's very like, yes sir!
Turn left.
It's like, you are not going nowhere.
It's for people to go like this when you're driving fast. You're good.
I can't. There's blind spots in this car. There's
Yeah,
a lot
there
of
is.
blind spots.
A lot.
That's why without this, it's much better.
Yeah, with it on, it kind of feels like
My grandma.
Merge onto Florida's Turnpike North.
Floridas. This air is duking though.
Yeah, but look, do I have a lot of headspace right now?
Yeah, you do.
Does it feel like it?
Yeah, you have a lot.
For 23 miles, continue straight.
And Sam's 7 feet 4 inches, so.
I am.
I
got a lot of room.
And so she has a lot of room. I have a lot.
Is there air coming from the seats? Do you feel the cold air coming through the seat?
Yeah, I thought I dropped the trick.
That is weird, right? Some high-tech shit.
Got all the. My phone's dropping. Shout out for Saya and Bowser on that chocolate sprinkle donuts. I love you.
I miss them.
Shout out to Jaylin for not giving us any issues waking up this morning.
No, she didn't. None of them did.
No?
Everybody was bright-eye and bushy-tail, ready to go.
Even though Saya woke up at like 4:30. Oh, that was a leaf.
Leave me alone.
Leaf. Me. That's a leaf. I'm me. Leave me alone. Saya woke up at 4:30 in the morning to come to bed with us. No, he probably had a bad dream or something.
Yeah, I think he was sleeping with Jaden.
And then at 6 he woke up. Now he went to Papa's house and he's tired. He can knock out the whole time.
They probably are.
Yeah, they got knocked out for sure. All of them were like 5 minutes.
This doesn't look great.
Oh, no.
Quick stop, gas, glasses, and we're back on the road.
Sam made me do it.
Turn left.
The cashiers made you do it.
She was like, oh my god, those glasses.
She's like, those look cute.
I was like,
Those look
Huh?
cute on you.
I was like, what?
Okay. They actually look really good on you.
And then she goes, you know, I think they look good on you. I said, oh, damn, girl. All right, well, my wife right here.
Stay in the right lane.
I called, you're my dad.
Oh.
That's why I said dad. I was letting her hit on you.
She looked like she needed some entertainment, baby.
She works in a gas station. It's full of entertainment.
I said, oh no.
I like
We are an hour and 20 minutes away, baby. Keep it going. I love your like what's that word called?
For 93 miles, continue straight.
The doo-wop girls, Dixie girls,
Paint-up girl.
paint-up girl. It's called a paint-up girl.
I don't know, but I think we got it on camera.
Convertible problems. And enjoy the scenery. And then this
so you could, we'll start right there.
We got rained on. We got lighting on.
And we got food.
We got food. Stay tuned.
It was bad. It lightning so bad in front of you at the light. I was like, oh my god, you're gonna die right now.
I freaked out. I was like, I'm taking the puddle. And then
When you turned and you left me, I was like, alright, I'm coming, baby, I'll save you.
so
You think
bad.
I don't know, but I know you're scared. Go, 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 go.
I literally hit the puddle. The wheels went. I said, hold on. Oh.
Alright. We'll see you back on the Polaris. What happened, love?
Stuck in the rain again. Yeah, this is crazy. We got hit with a tropical storm. Shit is wild.
We're in a
a Ford experience. All right, let's put the seatbelts on.
We're ready. Awkward camera angle.
I love you. Gotta put that down.